Hello everyone. In today's lesson we will learn what is the difference between the diameter and the radius and what is the link between the diameter and the radius. And we will also learn what is the formula of area of a circle. We will also learn what is the circumference of a circle and how can we calculate the circumference of a circle. Okay, diameter and radius of a circle. What is diameter and what is radius? If you will take a line that if you draw a line that will passes through the center of a circle and touches the boundaries of a circle, then that line will be known as the diameter of a circle. And what is radius? If you will take the half of the diameter, then this is known as the radius of a circle. Like if radius is simply defined as distance from center of a circle to the boundary, that is known as the radius of a circle. That's when if you want to calculate the diameter of a circle, you will double the radius, and if you want to calculate the radius of a circle, then you will take the half of the diameter. Okay, these are the quiz questions that is here for self-assessment. If you want to assess yourself, either you have got the concept of diameter and radius, then you can easily assess yourself by answering these questions. If the radius of a circle is 5 centimeter, what will be the diameter? Think of yourself and ask yourself. If the radius of a circle is 15 centimeter, then what will be the diameter? If the radius of a circle is 20 centimeter, then what will be the radius? If the diameter of a circle is 25 centimeter, then what will be the radius? If you are able to answer all these questions by your own self, that's mean you know the difference between the diameter and the radius. Next is circumference of a circle. How can we calculate the circumference of a circle and what is circumference of the circle? Circumference is the length of the boundary of a circle. It is the same concept that like of perimeter, but we don't use the word perimeter here because we are not given with the length of any sides. In perimeter we just simply add all the length of all the sides, but circle don't have any side. So we will use the concept of circumference of a circle. What's the formula? The formula is C is equals to 2 pi r. What is r? R is the radius and the pi is a constant. R is the radius of the circle, pi is the constant, and the value of constant is given, that is 22 by 7 or 3.1416. We will solve one example to about the circumference. If the radius of a circle is 10 centimeter, then what will be the diameter and circumference? As we know that diameter is the double of the radius, we will take the double of the radius. The radius is 10 centimeter. Then if you multiply 10 with 2, or you can say if you will double the radius, you have the diameter, that is 20 centimeter. Circumference. What is circumference? Circumference is equals to 2 pi r. You will put the value of pi, that is 22 by 7. Then you will put the value of radius, that is 10 centimeter. Then you will simplify all the values and you have the answer 62.85. That is the circumference of a circle, or you can say that is the length of the boundary of that circle that's having a radius of 10 centimeter. Now next concept is area of a circle. What is area of a circle? The area is the space covered. Pink shaded region is the space that is covered by this specific circle. How can we calculate this space occupied? We will use the formula of the area of a circle. What is the formula? Area is equals to pi r square. What is r? R is the radius. That means if you want to calculate the area, you should have the radius, where r is the radius and pi is the constant. The value of the pi is given, that is 22 by 7 or 3.14. That is either your choice if you want to use it in the form of fraction or in the form of decimals, whatever the value you will choose. Okay, let us consider an example. The radius of a circle is 5 centimeter. What will be the area of a circle? Solution. A is equals to pi r square, as we know the formula of area of a circle. Now we will put the value of r. What is r? Radius, that is given 5 centimeter square. A is equals to, now we will put the value of pi. We have taken as 22 by 7 into 5 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter. Why double times? We know that here 5 centimeter have the exponent 2. Exponent 2 means the number is getting multiplied with itself. Okay, now you will simplify this portion 22 by 7 into 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter. You have the answer 78.5 centimeter, and you will multiply the units with units. When you multiply centimeter with centimeter, you have centimeter square. Hope at the end of a lesson, I expect you all have learned what is radius, what is diameter, and what's the formula to calculate the circumference of a circle, what is the formula to calculate the area of a circle. I hope you have made yourselves clear. Have a very good day. Take care.